How to download and install the latest PGSharp Pokémon GO on Android. Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll share with you step-to-step guide on how to download and install the latest PGSharp Pokémon GO on Android. So the first thing you have to do is to launch your browser. So right here, you type in PGSharp. Click on the website here that says download sharp PGSharp APK Android latest version. So when you click on this download free APK, it will just download to your system. You just have to cut off some of the adverts. As you can see, is downloading. Just click on the download anyway. So you can scroll gently also and see the different PG app that will have. So right here, I'm still downloading it. You can see it here. So when the download is over, you just have to install it to your phone. Having installed it, you can now log in with your details. Make sure you're using the correct Gmail. Make sure you're using the correct name, and you can now have full access to this particular app. So it's used for playing games. You can play the different games that you want to play. If it is not available in your location, please, you can just go through the website to get the APK version of it. So guys, that is it about how to download and install the latest PGSharp Pokémon GO on Android. If this video was helpful, please do also follow GladyTechFix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.